Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 3, Excel 3 and 3B Simulation Training. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So you can see the score is Excel 1A and 1B simulation exam is 100% and 2A and 2B simulation training is 100% and Excel 2A and 2B simulation exam is 100% and Excel 2G condiment inventory is 99.6%. So open the Excel 3 and 3B simulation trainings. So open the Excel 3 and 3B simulation trainings and click the launch. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and emails. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So total question is 22 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is click a cell D5 type is equal to and then click the cell C5 type divided by click the cell C11 and press F4 key make to C11 absolute the and on the formula bars click the enter to confirm the percentage formula and keep the D5 is the active cell. So select the D5 type is equal to and select the C5 divided by C11 press F4 button press enter and next is fill the formula from a cell D5 down through cell D6 to D10. So copy the formula D6 to D10 and next is format the cell D5 to D10 percent style and then center the selection. So go to the home tabs and go to the number groups, click the percentage and center the text. So question number 1 is complete. We move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the range A5 to A10, hold down control and select the range C5 to C10 with the both range selected on the insert tabs. In the chart groups, click the insert a pie and dominate charts. Under the 3D pie charts, click the 3D pie charts. So type the A5 to A10 and press enter and A5 to A10 and control C5 to C10. C5 to C10 with the both range selected on the insert tab chart groups, click insert the 3D pie chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the 3D pie charts and next is on the chart design tab location groups, click the move charts and move the chart dialog box and click the new sheet option buttons and click the expand your chart sheets. So go to the chart design tabs and click the move the charts and select the expand charts and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is click the chart title and then type the enterprise fund expenditure. So select the chart titles and enterprise fund and deselect the charts and next is format the tab word art style, click the mouse and third row click the last style. So go to the format tabs and go to the word art style groups and the third row last styles. Sorry. Word art style, click the third row. Sorry, so select the chart titles and third row last styles and next is change the font size to chart title to 32 and deselect the chart title. So font size is to 32. So type the 32, press enters and deselect the chart. So question number 3 is complete. We move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is, with the chart selected, in the upper right corner of the charts and click the chart elements and then click the legends to clear checkbox and remove the legends from the charts. So click the format the charts and upper right corner, click the chart elements and then click the legends. And next is point to the data labels, click the arrow, display the menu, click a more option, format data pins under the label option, click the select the category name and percentage checkbox, click the clears any checkbox in this list this groups and under the label position the center position closer from the data labels, add the data labels and the more. And next is more and click the category name and percentage, category name and percentage and click the clear the other checkbox, clear the other checkbox and under the position in the centers, the position in the center and close from the data labels. And next is with the data label selected, point to one of the data labels, right click and click the font, by the bold and italic and change the font size to 11. So data label the font, go to the home tabs and click the bold and italics and font size to 11, font size to 11. So question number 4 is complete. We move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, in any pie, slice point to outside of the selected labels and double click the display the format data series. So double click the format data series and click the effect to 3D pies top bevel arrow and gallery. Under the bevel, click the first bevel. Under the top bevels in the width box, select the existing text and type 512 height box and select the existing is 512, press enter and bottom apply the first bevel in the first row and width and height is 512. So click the data series and click the data formats, 3D formats, apply the first bevels and first bevel width and height is 512 and click the height is 512. And next is bottom bevel is the first bevels and width is 512 and height is 512, press enter. And next is in the format data series necessary, then click the material arrow under the standard, the third material plastic. So under the 3D material plastics, the plastic. So question number 5 is complete. We move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, in the format data series, click the shadow. Under the shadow, click the preset arrow, scroll bottom of the gallery and then under the perspective in the first row, click the third effect perspective below. In the format data series, and click the shadow and under the shadow is the preset arrow, under the shadow in the preset arrow and next is scroll button and under the perspective first row third effects, under the perspective first row third effects. So question number 6 is complete. We move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is, in the format data series pane and series option, click the series option and change the angle of the first slice is 300. The format data series, click the series and change the angle of the first slice is 300, press enter. So question number 7 is complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is, on the pie chart, power slice, select only that the slice in the format data points and point the explosion box, drag the select existing text and then type the 10%, press Enter to explore the series. So select the power slice and format data point explosion and existing the type 10%, point explosion to the 10%, press Enter, and next is select the power series slice selected format data under the series option, click the fill and lines, click the fill, expand to the gradient fills button in the position gradient arrow in the fourth column, third gradients. In the gradient fills, in the gradient fill option, preset gradient arrow, fourth column, third gradient. Click OK. So question number 8 is complete. We move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is, click the chart area, display the format of chart area under the charts and click the fill lines, click the gradient fill option and click the preset gradient arrow in the fourth column, first column. So click the chart area, so format the chart area and click the fill and lines and click the gradient fills and preset gradient in the fourth column, first gradient, fourth column, first gradient. And next is format the chart and click the fills to the collapse, fill is to the collapse and click the borders and click the solid lines and 8 column, first colors, 8 column is the first colors and with this 3 points, with this 3 point, press enter and close format the chart area pane, click the close. So question number 9 is complete. We move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is, display the enterprise funds sheets and C6 change the value. So select the enterprise fund sheets and copy the value and paste the value in cell C6 and press enter. And next display the expenditure chart worksheets. So question number 10 is complete. We move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is, display the enterprise fund worksheets and see D5 to D10. So type the D5 to D10, press enter and increase the number decimal 2 times. Increase the numbers 2 times, 2. And next is, on the enterprise fund sheets in C11 on the data tabs in the forecast groups, click the what if analysis goal 6 and goal 6 in the value box, type the value, press enter by changing the cell box C7 and then click OK 2 times. So select the C11s and go to the data tabs and go to the what if analysis, click the goal 6 and goal 6 is C11 and to value is and select the C7, click OK. And by changing cell is C7, so select the C7, click OK and again OK. So question number 11 is complete. We move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is, on the enterprise fund worksheets and center the worksheet horizontally on the page and insert the footer with the file name in the left section. So enterprise fund worksheets and go to the payload tabs, click the page setup groups, the margin to the center horizontally and header and footer, click the custom footer, insert the file names, click OK and again OK. And next is, use the page setup dialog box, insert the footer file name in the left sections. Go to the payload tabs Go to the page setup groups, click the header and footer, custom footer, left section in the file, click OK and again OK. And next is group the worksheets, right click and click the group the worksheets and then click the print. Below the print preview next page and view to the next page. Click the files, the prints and print preview. So question number 12 is complete. We move to the question number 13. So question number 13 is in a cell B3 to F3 use the fill handle to years in the year increments beginning with the 2020 and ending with the 2024. So type the B3 to F3 press enters and type the 2020 and 2021 press tab buttons. So select the both range and fill handle to F3. And next is in the cell C5 type the formula, calculate the rate of increase from the first year to the second year. So select the C5 type is equal to and C4 minus B4 and B4 divided by B4 and press enters. So select the C4, sorry C5, copy the formula and paste the formula, press enters. So select the C5 type is equal to and C4 minus B4 so select the C5 type is equal to and C4 minus B4 close bracket and divided by B4 press enters and format the cell C5 with the percent sign and select the C5 percent sign and copy the formulas across the D5 to F5. So question number 13 is complete. We move to the question number 14. So question number 14 is use the format to copy the formats of cell A2 to A7. So select the A2, copy the format pointer and select the A7 and next is copy the value in cell F4. So type the F4, press enters and copy and B11. So select the B11 and paste and press escape button. So question number 14 is complete. We move to the question number 15. So question number 15 is so select the C11s and type is equal to B11 multiplied by 100% plus B8 close bracket and press enter and use the format pointers. Use the format pointer in cell B11. So select the B11s and copy the format pointers in cell C11. B11 to C11s and next is copy the formula formatting in cell C11s and formatting in cell D11 to F11. D11 to F11. So question number 15 is complete. So question number 16 is copy the range B11 to F11. So copy the range B11 to F11 press enters to copy and right click the B15. So select the B15 right clicks and click the special arrow and value and number formattings and select the change the B8. So select the B8 cell and type the 10%. Press enter and copy the range B11 to F11. B11 to press enter, click the copy and paste in cell B16. So select the B16 in cell B16, press enter and value and number formattings and press escape button. So question number 16 is complete. We move to the question number 17. So question number 17 is on the page layout tabs and theme groups, click the color and click the red colors. Click the red colors and next is in the row headers area, select the row 6 to row 21, row 6 to row 21 and inserts and click the right clicks and click the inserts and A4 to F4. So select the A4 to F4, press enter, insert tabs and group, insert the lines, insert the charts area and click the insert line with the marker charts. Insert the line with the marker charts and click OK. And next is at the top of the cell A6. And change the chart title to resumes and display the shortcut menu. Click the edits and type the insertion point beginning the title and type the spring break. So select the spring and press space bars and move to the end of the document and press enter and type the 2022 2024 and deselect the charts. And next is with the boards and solid lines and click the format and click the boards. So select the chart title and go to the home tabs and click the boards and then second column first color, click OK. First colors, click OK. So I have done the assignments Excel 3 and 3B simulation training and current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses with accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.